inside my Zerg, hello?
Infinity, drop kay Mugi muna.
Yeah, listen. All brawlers engage with me first, okay? They should be playing clap. They might have 2 engages, to be honest.
Ay, Hodge sila.
I'm looking for Tokontol. Yeah, Tokontol here. Mark Tokontol. He's on Judy helmet. He's on Judy helmet. Second engage gonna come. Careful. Full defend. Southeast headbutt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast headbutt. Southeast headbutt. Come back. Yeah. So 2 engages. They have 2 engages. Yeah, listen. They have 2 engages, okay? Tanks, listen. Once this gate breaks, one of them will engage shallow. They're gonna try to bait us to engage. Then they're gonna try to funnel into the choke. Listen, tanks, I need full funnel in, full hold on this choke, okay? Wait, Desert Root, why are you using Phalanx Beetle?
Inang mo, ang bobo.
Yo, listen. Spread now, northeast, southwest. First engage happening, okay? That's the first engage only. Yo, listen, get ready. Kill tanks inside 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tanks inside. Okay, just hold. The 3 people that died there, dumbasses. A Rootbound died there. Nutriban died there.
Ako.
Yo, ready. Yo, listen. Ready to hold them, okay? One engage gonna come soon. One of the engage gonna come soon. Tanks, get ready. Spread. Watch. Be careful of their hodge. Listen, the Bastion. Can you just push them when every time they try to
May
fucking?
bomb sila.
Yo, Ash, stop wasting that E, man. Can you use it when they're engaging or when they're about to engage? First engage coming. Oh, Donnie. Yeah, give me a fake on the choke. Oh, Donnie, come back. Ready. Just wait. Listen. They have 2 engages still, okay? After they do their second engage, they have first engage up. Spread. Rigger, tanks. Yo, get ready, careful. They're stepping up. They're about to engage shallow. Careful overall. Southeast shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast shallow. Come back. Come back. Just hold. Careful. You want under king? Be careful, okay? Just hold on, eh. Yeah, listen. Desert Rose, listen to me, okay? I'm gonna try to engage shallow. After the first engage, I'm gonna try to engage shallow, counter shallow. Yo, double OC. Yo. Ready defend. First engage looking. Shallow, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Already, second engage gonna come. They're gonna try to funnel. Hold them. Come north. Defend inside. Heal up. Oh my god, man. So slow coming back. Listen, you need some Helion Hood tanks to go really deep on their backline and silence it. You cannot just silence the choke because they're just gonna cleanse it. Everyone shallow this tank inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow tank inside. My god, this Hodge, man. Come back north. They're gonna funnel in. Come back north.
My bad.
They have second engage. Spread. They have second engage. Second engage gonna come now. Oh my goodness. I'm already calling it so hard. How? Tanks inside. Wait. Southeast, get ready. Southeast on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast choke. Alright, come back fast. Tanks, come back inside. Come back next gate. Heal up front line. Come back next gate. Next gate, boys. Next gate.
Careful over the wall.
Next gate. Did somebody die there? I hope nobody died there.
Dalawa.
What? Oh my god, Armoros is DC. Fucking fine, man. I fine you.
Fairly daw
Kung nakikidnap ako.
Everyone, southeast shallow. Get ready to headbutt. Hold on, hold on. Everyone, southeast shallow. Get ready. East side. Okay, look at the stairs. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side shallow. Come back fast. Come back fast. Come back fast. They're gonna counter on the choke. Come back. Come back fast. They countering on the choke. They countering on the choke. Nice. Another engage coming. Another engage coming. My God. Fucking hell, man.
Wait, fix
The
5 ba to?
Yeah. The anticipation is so fucking stupid, man. The fuck?
Gagi pumunta ako. Wait, Arbak man ako.
Damn, the second
Punta ka
fucking.
lang, gago.
There, you just come. Come southwest, come
Chariot,
southwest.
chariot to. Dala ko.
Can you go different? You come southwest, come
Yeah,
next
I
gate,
got
come
you.
next gate. Hey, come on, man. The anticipation there, paying a Vicnoms. What kind of shit was that, man? You know the next engage coming, man. What's that?
Bigla eh.
Careful. Just hold on, eh. Listen, they're looking at me. Ready defenses. Hold on, heal up. Yo, listen. Later. Listen. After this gate breaks, their first engage is gonna come, We're gonna try to walk in. Okay, ready defenses. Oh my God, Athena's dead. What are you doing?
Sorry, man.
Heal up, Pichulo. Northeast on the gate, fast engage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast on the gate, fast engage. Come back fast. Yeah, listen, gate's about to break, okay? Listen. One engage. They're gonna one engage, right? Make sure to CC and absorb it. Their next engage gonna come fast, okay? We need to potion. We're gonna counter engage the second engage. Just wait. Listen, ready. Hold on. Just wait. Nothing's happening yet. They did one engage already. Just hold. Look at this MH boss, he's ano. Okay, wait, heal up my front line. Just wait. Yo, look at hold. One of their engage gonna come up. Brawl the tanks inside. One of their engage gonna come up soon. Careful. Ready defenses, okay? One of their engage gonna come up soon. Careful. They're stepping up. The first engage is gonna come. First engage coming. Heal up. Second engage gonna come soon, okay? Give me a fake. Potion. Go deep. Potion. Pull the pen. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Nice. Now come back southwest. Okay, come back southwest. Heal up. Brawl this inside. Yo, listen. First engage is gonna come soon. Spread. First engage gonna come soon. Spread. It's a fake. First engage gonna come soon. It's gonna go deep. It's looking shallow. Ready defense shallow. It's going deep now. Full defense inside. Heal up. Second engage gonna come on me. Get ready. Hold. Marlika, shallow on me. Wait, shallow on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me. Come back north. Pull back north. Tanks hold them. Pull back north. Northwest. Heal up. Northwest. Careful. They're stepping up. Come northwest more. Southeast shallow. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast shallow. Kill the tanks. Kill the. Oh my God, that hellfire is so fucking bad, General Puddles. Spread northwest more. They're engaging shallow. They missed. They have another engage. Careful. Heal up. Second engage gonna come soon. Tank shallow, look at me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tank shallow. Can I get an early snare charge in Hillion Hood so that tank on the back cannot fucking snare charge me, you dumb fuck tanks. Kill this guy. Spread northwest now. Careful. Give me a fake, step up. Step up. Give me a fake, step up. Masyadong deep yung fake mo doy. Come back. Shallow on the tanks, get ready. Look at me. Shallow south, get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow tanks. Come back fast.
Lumabas sila.
Boys, come to control coming outside.
They're heading outside.
Hindi.
They're moving to the-
Pinupol ka lang, Mugi. Rotating
Yeah,
mid, you're
okay.
rotating west.
Heal up. Rigger fast DPS. Yo, the deaths here earlier. The second engage, right? Where's the potion and walk in there? Potion,
They're
walk
moving
in.
southwest.
Where's the demon armors? Step up. Everyone, get ready. I'm so confused. Where's the demons? Every time I ask a walk-in, man.
Oh, 13 minutes na lang kasi.
Like, that shit's stupid as fuck.
Careful,
Like
ah.
supports,
Big time.
like supports. Oh my god, supports. Somebody should be dying on that second engage. That should have been a very good fucking counter engage there.
Saan yun?
Everyone, get ready. Southwest shallow. Southwest shallow. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest shallow. Southwest shallow. Come back fast. 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 Listen, this gate's about to break. Okay. Can we learn how to absorb? First engage, top it, right? The second engage is gonna come fast. Make sure I have demons and potions walking in. And hold them on that choke. Hold them on that choke. First engage happening now. First engage happening now. Second engage gonna come soon. Careful. They're stepping up. Second engage gonna come. Listen, potion now, potion now, potion now. Shallow, shallow inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow inside, shallow inside, shallow inside. Kill tank side, kill tank side, kill tank side.
Yun CD, yun CD.
Yo, can I get the locust, man? Can I get the locust? Come southeast. Can I get the locust on top of that clump? On that engage. Offensive locust for the Helions. Come southeast. Listen, first engage gonna come up. First engage gonna come up.
May def tank
Do not
na
stick to the gate. Do not stick to the gate. Do not stick to the gate.
Sa likod, may def tank sa east.
Yeah, listen, Ash, okay? Here's what we're gonna do. Listen, after their first engage, I'm gonna walk in. You have to silence their backline. Their backline. Tanks, you have to walk in and funnel in. I need a locus on this gate here. And guard runes, okay? Listen, get ready, boys. Get ready. Bait out their first engage. Bait out their first engage, Bait out their first engage. It's gonna happen soon. We have potions, okay? We have potions. We're gonna bait out one of their engage. It's coming in. Ready. Listen, walk in, shallow. Tanks, walk in. Behemoth, give me a silence at back. Ready, here, potion. Marika, potion now, 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 on the choke, deep on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, deep on the choke now, 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 deep on the choke now. Come back. Their first engage is gonna come up soon, okay? Their first engage is gonna come up soon. Careful. Tanks peel.